Earn $650 a day online uploading photos. In this video, I will show you step by step exactly how you can earn $650 a day uploading photos online. If we check this website, here you can see that they paid more than $1 billion. So those who uploaded their photos on this website earned up to $1 billion. And in fact, Europe alone got 105 million of that, which is pretty cool, and they're paying a lot of money now. You're probably wondering why any site does this. We pay you to upload photos. The average cost of hiring a photographer is $100 and $250 an hour, and you usually need them for 3 and 4 hours. More for an expensive photographer. It will cost you $3,500. So there really are sites that people go to inside of hiring an expensive photographer to take pictures. That's why these market for this, and if we come here, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is how much people are paying for this particular site. I'm going to show you that they're paying. You know, the monthly payment plans from $29 a month, $199 a month, or a one-time package of $575, and this site gives contributors like you and me a portion of that money to upload photos to the site. Now this site is called Shutterstock.com. Share your work and start earning. Global contributors community. Join and earn money doing what you love now. All you have to do is create, and I'll show you where you can get these photos from me. Not yourself take them, but basically you just post your photos and get paid. And then you can refer other contributors, go to this platform, earn money from it to so over $1 billion paid out, join their World Cup, and this is what the platform look like now. All you have to do is press this button, fill in your full name here, and you will create a cover letter, and then press your email and password, and now you can set up your account. So if you upload 100 photos and get license, you will get 15 photos from that recurring monthly free that people per write. If you upload 25,000 photos, you get 40 of that from every person who buys on this platform. So what are you going to do? Fine, and you're probably thinking, well, I don't have a professional camera, I know I'm not a photographer, so how I can take this picture well? Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. You can get these photos from a site called Pixels, a website where you can get free photos, and all of them are now professionally taken well down, especially at this time of year or any time of the year. Holiday photos are the most popular because people love to send holiday cards to friends and family right from it, and they also have picture for those holiday cards. So what you want to do is go to Pixels and search for Christmas, and it shows a lot of things for Christmas. There are a lot of professionally shot photos here, and as you scroll down, some of these would look really nice on a Christmas card like this one here. So There are tons of free photos here that you can literally download just click it, and then you can download it directly to your computer. Then you can go to Shutterstock and upload it to your affiliate platform. Now, as you can see, that's a great way to make a few $100s or even a few $1,000.